Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to run an Instagram profile visit ad campaign using the Meta Business Suite. So let's jump right straight into this video. You can get the Meta Business Suite app on your App Store or on Google Play Store by searching for Meta Business Suite. So we open the Meta Business Suite app. So you could select the page you want to switch into, but ensure you've logged in your Facebook account or maybe your Instagram account on this mobile app. So you click at the top left corner. Then you switch across the page you want to use, whichever page you want to use. Okay, so you could see I could switch to any of the pages I prefer, or I want to use our Bright business page for this tutorial. Okay, so next you're going to click on advertise. You could see it there. So either you click on advertise at the center, or you click on the plus button at the bottom center. Then you click on add. Okay, but we're going to use the one at the center. So we'll click on advertise. Next, we'll click on Instagram at the top right corner. Okay. Next, you're going to select one of the posts you want to boost. So we'll click on see all if you don't want to select any of these ones you're seeing right here. So we'll click on see all. Okay, so let's select one of our posts. So I'm going to select The Secret to Success, a 7-step guide to understanding what's working. So let's select this one. So the first thing you do, you're going to scroll down to the bottom to select your preferred ad account. So take note, we always recommend that do not use your personal ad account. Your personal ad account is the ad account that bears the exact name as it is on your Facebook profile or your Facebook account. So in this case, Wobo Chikaba the Gospel is my personal ad account because this is the same name I bear or I answer on Facebook. So I'm going to click on this drop down. Then I'm going to switch to the preferred ad account. For yours, you'll most likely see just two. One is a personal ad account and the second one is the one we created for you. But if you have multiple ad accounts like myself, so you're going to see quite a lot of them here and you're going to select. So for this particular ad campaign, we're going to use the official Bright ad account. Okay, so if you want to find more after this loading is completed, you could scroll upward and access other ad accounts that you select. But for this particular one, we could see that our preferred ad account is already loaded up. So we're going to select the second one, which is the official Bright ad account. So select this. Okay, so you allow it to load up. So you come back here again and confirm that the ad account is in place. So what you're going to do now, you're going to scroll to the top. Okay, so you can see for this particular ad account, we're going to teach you how to run a profile visit. Okay, so you can see that the profile visit is already selected. So let's say in case yours selected the messaging option or the messaging goal first, you could, okay, for this one, this is the messaging goal. So take note, there are usually 3 goals you could set up for Instagram post boosting. Okay, so the first one is get more messages, where you'd ask people to send you a message on Instagram direct or on WhatsApp, while the second one is get more profile visits, and the last one is get more website visitors. Okay, so we're gonna select the get more profile visits for this case. Okay, so we're gonna allow this to load up the preview. All right, so we're good to go. So we scroll down. You could leave this on, you could also leave it off, but we're gonna leave this on for now. The advantage plus creative. Okay, if your advert is under the special ad category, which involves financial products and services, employment, housing or social issues, or election or politics, okay, so you make sure you turn this on. So for those of you who are realtors and you want to run an ad, ensure you declare that this is a special ad category, or maybe you want to run a job opening, promotion or employment. Turn this on, and every other thing that was listed here. So if your ad fall under this category, you turn it on. So you simply click on this button to turn it on. Then okay, then you click on this drop down and you select. For those of you in housing, you're going to select this one. Then you can also unmark this one. If you're running a real estate employment, ensure you tick housing and also employment. All right, then you click on done. But if you're running only housing or real estate, you want to sell property, select only housing. Then you unmark others. Then you click on done. Okay, so take note, this particular ad campaign we want to launch is not under the special ad category. This is basically for agency. So I'm going to turn off this special ad category, so we're going to continue. But for yours, if it's under the special ad category like real estate, no need to turn it off. Okay, so let's turn this off. My own campaign. So we scroll back to where we were. All right, so this particular ad campaign is not under the special ad category, so we continue. Now for your audience, if this is a new ad account, you will most likely not see any saved audience. So all these are saved audience, but you could see the automatic where Instagram targets people like your followers. So you could go for this option, or if you want to create a new one, you click on create new. So let's click on create new. Okay, first thing, we're going to give the audience a name. So we're going to call it Meta Business Suite Audience. All right. Next, you select your region, or you could also turn on the Advantage Plus audience, but let's leave that. So you select your location. So you click here. That is if Nigeria is not showing, or if you want to target only a specific state. So you type it. If it's only Lagos, you type Lagos. Automatically, Nigeria will be out. Okay. Because you cannot target a country and also target a state alongside. So it's either you target like 4 states inside of a country, or you target the whole country. Take note of that. And same thing applies for cities. You cannot target, let's say, I'm targeting River State and I also want to target Port Harcourt at the same time. It doesn't work that way. So either I target specific cities inside of River State, or I target the whole River State. So take note of that. So let's say in this case, we want to target just Lagos, Port Harcourt, okay. I'm going to add Ghana. So we're going to play around with this. I'm targeting a full country in this case. Then let me target another state. Okay, let's say I'm going to target Delta State in Nigeria. Okay. So I could also target Abuja. So next we'll click on save, but hold on. So you could turn this off if you want to strictly target these locations here. So you're going to turn off this reach more people likely to respond. So we turn this off if you want to strictly target these locations you've selected at the top. Then you click on save. Okay, so the next thing is you could also decide to target behavior. So let's say, for example, if I want to target the interest, but in most cases, I will recommend that you leave it. Okay, but if you want to target based on behavior or characteristics as it is being displayed here, so you click on add interest. So for me, I would want to target business owners. Okay, so you could see business owners. You could also target small business owners. Small business owners. I could also target people interested in entrepreneurship. Okay. Then you could also search for Instagram profile admins. Okay, so you could see that Instagram business profile admins. Okay. Then you could also use this browse option to navigate other options if you want. So let's click on save. We're done with the audience targeting. All right, so the next thing, we could select the age. I usually want to target from 25 years, depending on the niche though. So sometimes you might want to target 25 years. But since this is Instagram, you could just leave it from 18 years and above. By the way, we're looking for followers, so you could just let it be from 18 years. This is a Instagram profile visit. Okay. So basically, don't forget that Instagram profile visit can help you to get sales. Could also help you to get followers, and also for people to explore your brand on Instagram and interact with different content on your Instagram page or on your grid or on your reels and so much more. All right, so once we're done, we're going to click on, okay, next you could also select the gender. If you want only men, you select men. If you want women, you select women. You could also select all if you want both genders. Okay, so always look out for the estimated audience size. just at the bottom, and you could see our audience definition is saying that our audience is defined. It's giving us a green light, which means we're doing good. So click on save audience. Okay, so this is beautiful. So you could see that we've saved this audience. We could always use it apart from now. So these are other saved audience we've used in previous times. So you can see placements is showing only Instagram. That's exactly what we wanted. So next we're going to move to our budget, the daily budget. Usually we recommend that you run your ads for at least 7 days. So if you're running an Instagram ads, try to spend at least 7,000 naira per day, depending on your budget. But if you're doing the profile visit, you could also work with 5,000 naira per day. All right, but try as much as possible to run your ad for at least 7 days. This is what we recommend. Or maybe you could go for at least 10 days. If you could do 2 months, 3 months, perfect. That's a good one. So we're gonna set our budget. So let's say we want to spend okay, let's say 7,063 naira per day. Okay, so now for this particular video, we're not going to set up this is just a tutorial video to show you that this actually works. Okay, so we're going to run this ad for just 1 day, but take note, what we recommend is run your advert for at least 7 days. Okay, so in the professional course you're going to get more in-depth. So for this guide we're just going to use 1 day. Okay, so take notes, make sure you have enough funds in your prepaid ad account. So we're going to attach a link in the description section to teach you how to fund your prepaid ad account we've created for you, or the one you have, or you could click on add funds here to fund your prepaid ad account. So after you're done with everything, you simply click on boost post now. So this is very, very easy. Okay, so you can see in this case our budget is not enough. So what you could do here is either you add more funds or you go back to reduce your budget. So let's go back and reduce the budget. This is one of the reasons why I reduced the budget and I'm running the ad for just 1 day. Okay, somehow it was increased on its own. Wanted to run just okay, so let's work with that. 7,688 naira per day. Okay, all right, so we come back here, then we'll click on boost post now. It's very easy. So this is gonna work. So this is how you could run an ad that's sensible to your Instagram profile. Okay, so you can see that our ads has been successfully launched and currently the ads is in review. So we've done a wonderful job. Okay, great work. All right, so we'll click on back. Okay, now I'm going to show you something. So apart from what we did here, you could also visit Meta Ads Manager, so we could track ads performance. Okay, so let's switch to the particular ad account. So this is the particular ad account we're using for the ads. So you notice that the ads is currently being created. So that's why you're seeing no ads. Okay. So it's still in the creation process. Once it's done, you're going to see in review. So by the way, let me show you how you could actually fund this ad account. If you want to fund this ad account, you click on, after selecting the ad account like we did, you click on the settings icon. Okay. Then you click on billing and payments. Next, you click on add funds. So I'm going to recommend that you could try doing the bank transfer because it seems to be more stable, or you could use pay with USSD, or you go for PayU, especially if you're a Nigerian. Okay, so we strongly recommend you use the pay by bank transfer. Currently that is what works best. Okay, so you click on next and follow the on-screen instruction. Okay, so let's go back to, let's see if it's done. I'm gonna reload this. You can see that this is currently in review, so it has completed the processing phase. So now the ad is in review. Once it's approved, it will start delivering. Very, very easy. So we're also going to attach a link to teach you how to navigate or how to interpret data on the Meta Ads Manager mobile app. So see you guys in the next video. Do well to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and book a consultation if you need to speak with an expert to get clarity on how to get successful as a business owner.